Hi! Today I'm making an extension to my workshop. It will be dedicated to a new activity and I'm not telling you which one for the moment. I'm making it with Mathieu David, a French carpenter who's also a YouTuber. I have a small terrace that I'm never using, so we'll use this area to build this new workshop. By using this area, we're also saving quite a lot of time, as we just have to get rid of the slats, and most of them are just trash. My friend Alain Boutournet, on the right-hand side, is also lending a hand. It's not easy. To start, we take measurements and talk about the global shape of the shelter. We set the width according to the length of the sheets we're going to use for the roof, as we don't want a cut in the middle of it. I need internet to know what we got. Now, the ground support. You see, that's the best way for cutting a concrete block. Light taps are quite efficient.
Voilà, c'est cassé. Détruire, laissons le...
We let it dry overnight. With these stacks, Mathieu is making a blueprint of the future front and back arches. We're not truing the beams, we just make sure that the top is square to the sides. We are making reference marks for the cuts. And we are marking the sides for a quick and easy identification.
Ça c'est la pièce 1 et ça c'est la pièce 2.
That's the upper cut with a 12 degrees angle, the angle for the roof. Now we need a 3 centimeters deep cut. Mathieu prefers using his marks instead of the ruler that's on the saw. That was the back cut. We need a second one here and a third one there. For this cut, the blade is slightly tilted. Again, it's the 12 degrees of the roof. He's using the reference mark to guide his chisel. And also the edge cut he made with the saw. The upper beam resting on this one just needs 2 cuts. I'm cutting brackets for the corners. I love my impact screwdriver. We're positioning the screws like so because, in case of a crack, it will follow the grain and the screws won't be on the same line. The blocks are in place.
Et là, on pivote.
D'accord. Je le pose. C'est bon?
Il va beaucoup mieux celui-là. Allez madame la charpentière.
C'est l'équilibriste là. Hein.
4 knock-in screws for each leg, and the structure will be perfectly steady. It already seems comfortable, And to finish, Merci Mathieu.
De rien.
As always, if you like the video, please press the thumb up, leave a message, and subscribe. Special thanks to my 6 supporters, especially Fabien, the newest one. If you like what I do, your help will be appreciated. À bientôt!